Hello folks, I am back and with a legend this time, presenting to you the Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution, which was based on the 1997 to 99 model series. It was designed so that Mitsubishi could compete in the D2 rally segment and meet the Dakar Rally homologation rules. On the side of the car, we see some nice white, silver and black decals, the rally art branding, and also Evolution is written there. Same goes to the other side as well. On the real car we get a Evolution written on the front bumper as well, and we do get some nice headlamp detailing and a Mitsubishi logo. There is a bonnet scoop, and if you see on the front underbody there is some nice to-the-point detailing like in the real car. Unfortunately, on the back there is not as much detailing, rather there is none. There should have been at least a Mitsubishi logo or Pajero text or rally art branding on the spare wheel, but there is none. And even the tail lamp, the outline at least should have been given some differentiating color or something, but it's not there. Well, I'm expecting that on the Hotwheels premium version it will surely be there. Now, I do like the wheels that Hotwheels has given to this particular casting. They suit the personality of a rally vehicle. And you have this nice air vent detailing on the front fender. Now, going to the chassis of the car, it is detailed to a certain extent, and this SKG47 is a variation serial code, it's a unique code, and S11 is the year and month code for the third week of March of 2023. Now, there are other variations for the Pajero Evolution, one in a metal flake orange and one in a white color. Now, they do have similar decals and styling, but each color gives their own different look. The metal flake orange actually stands out. I'll be making a video of that orange one because I have that one as well. And there are Hot Wheels premium versions for all the three colors now. So, hope you like this video. And yes, there is some detailing on the hinge and the hood as well. See you in the next video with the orange Pajero.